Hello guys! Welcome everyone to my video. I hope you are all doing well. As you can see here, this beautiful clip art has been uploaded to the customizable product on Shopify. Customers can easily change and customize the clip art according to their preferences. It's really wonderful. But we want to publish it on Etsy exactly like this, and unfortunately, we can't do it. So I found an alternative way to publish it on Etsy exactly like this. So today, I'm going to share that method with you and show you how you can publish it on Etsy. Then let's start the video. First of all, we need to go to Anywhere POD. Here, we have to create the design. Before that, make sure that Anywhere POD is connected to your Etsy store. I already have this product uploaded on Shopify, so I'm going to clone this product. If you don't have a design yet, make sure to create one first. If you're not sure how to do that, check out our previous video on uploading customizable products on the channel. And if you still face any problems, feel free to contact us. We'll be happy to help. At first, go to Edit. Before doing anything here, make sure to click Save New first. Here, you need to delete everything except the clip art options. Now, update. We'll go back to the Edit section again. Now, you need to arrange and customize the clip art however you like, making it look attractive and appealing so that customers will love it. Once the clip art is ready, you need to click Update again to save the changes. Now download artwork. In the same way, you can create as many clip art options as you want to include in your product. Make sure to keep all the clip art in same file. Also, make sure that all the clip art options are the same size and placed in the exact same position. For this, we use Canva. Now upload all clip art on Canva. Then place each clip art carefully on top of the previous one, making sure that all clip arts are positioned in the exact same spot and have the same size. This will ensure perfect alignment and a smooth customization experience for customers. After placing all the clip arts in the same position, click the plus icon at the top. This will duplicate the page. Then, on each duplicated page, delete the unnecessary clip arts one by one, leaving only the specific clip art you want to display on that page. Placing one clip art on each page individually, because we use it for clip art. On one page, you should display all the clip art options together and label each one with a matching number. This way, customers can easily view the image and choose their preferred clip art by selecting the corresponding number. Now, it's time to download the design. When downloading, make sure to keep the transparent background option turned on. Now, again, come to Anywhere POD. We created a new design earlier for the clip art. Now you need to delete those clip art designs first. Now you need to upload the clip art files that we previously resized and prepared in Canva. Now go to the Edit section. After that, upload the clipart files that we just uploaded. Position and align these new cliparts exactly the same way as the previous cliparts. And give clipart name same as well as our clipart image name, Choose Your Clipart. Once everything is properly placed, remove all the old clipart elements and keep only the newly uploaded cliparts. Now, enable live preview. Now, go back to Configure Etsy Personalization and copy the personalization link. After copying it, open the link in your web browser and test it to make sure everything is working correctly. All looks good. Next, you need to add the title, Etsy tags, and product description. In the description, make sure to include the personalization link that we copied from Configure Etsy Personalization. This will allow customers to click the link and preview the design with their selected clipart before placing an order. Now push to Etsy. Now publish the product on Etsy. Be sure to upload all the mockups, especially the mockup we created that showcases all the clipart options together. If we see when customers view the clipart image, they will see that each clipart option has a number assigned to it. The customer can simply choose the clipart they like and then select the corresponding number from the Choose Your Clipart Number option. Additionally, customers can copy or open the link provided in the product description. By visiting that link, they will be able to place the clipart on the design and preview how it looks before making their final selection. Now, check everything carefully to make sure it is working correctly. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions or face any issues understanding the process, feel free to contact us. We're always happy to help. Having problem uploading your customized product? Want us to upload your customized product for you? Contract us.